Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is Joe over at Alan Ed's Autosound in Marina Del Rey. Just got done installing a Pioneer AVH W8500 NEX system. It is their highest end system with built-in navigation and mapping, but also offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for particular phones. This particular car, we were going to attempt to use an HUR from NavTV, a head unit replacement module, but there was an issue with the fiber optic loop and the stock amplifier. We went ahead and rewired the front doors with a 4-channel diamond micro amplifier, so we got about 200 watts going to each door. The rear speakers we rewired to the rear of the deck, and stock subwoofer has a factory amplifier built into it. We were able to send it signal as well as turn it on via the remote. Once again, this is Joe from Alan Ed's Autosound in Marina Del Rey, showcasing a 7-inch touchscreen unit on a Porsche Boxster with the gray Metra dash kit. If you guys have any questions, 310-827-8121. Thank you.